There was a question on the community about deleting a subtask based on a transition of the parent. Now, this can be done, and let me show you the automation rule and explain how you can also do the same thing. However, before I show you the rule, I also want to say that deleting an issue is probably not a good idea, because if you are deleting an issue just to you should delete an issue when the issue was created by mistake. Otherwise, don't delete an issue. Maybe close it and leave it somewhere, because if you delete the issue, then you are basically removing the traces, all the traces of the issue, and it will be deleted from the database. So do think about it. But in case you have to delete it, let me show you how it can be done. And this is, of course, just another use case, just another way of doing things in Jira using automation. Now, first of all, I have this rule set up only on one project because I want to reduce my executions. And if you limit it to one issue, one project, then it won't count towards your total limit. Now, what I want to do is I want to, for this example, delete my subtask of a specific type when the parent is moved to on hold status, just to show you, like when you move the parent issues, when you make a transition on the parent, you can do something with the subtask. And for doing something with the subtask, or maybe something with linked issues, I guess, what you can do, you can then use this branch rule where type of related issues is a subtask, and this will ensure that all the subtasks are included in this rule when the parent is transitioned, when the rule is triggered. Then to further check if the issue type is of a specific type, for example, if the issue type is equal to subtask, then only delete it. So you may have more than one subtask type in your issue. So there is an action called permanently remove the issue, delete the issue basically. And let me show you how this rule will work. And for showing you this rule, for showing you this automation, I will use this automation, this issue in my Android project. And this issue status is already on hold, let me change it to something else, maybe in progress. And if I maybe create a couple of subtasks, creating a subtask on the cloud version is especially on the new view is slightly different. So you have to click on these check boxes here, the second icon, and you can of course create maybe subtask 1, subtask 2, maybe subtask 3. Let us have 3 subtasks, because why not? And now the rule is enabled. Let me open the audit log so we can monitor when the rule is triggered, and I will change the status to on hold. So when you do this, something will happen, and you can go back to your audit log and click on the refresh. So it says in progress, not on progress. So let us click on the refresh log one more time, and it has already done something. So you can see here that it will show you what happened. Like the following issues passed: AN72, AN71, and AN70, and delete issue. So for each and every issue, it has probably deleted it. So let us go back to the issue and refresh. And as you can see, there is nothing here, and there is no issue actually that you can find. The subtasks are actually deleted. So 70, 71, 72. Let us see if we can find those issues. So if I maybe click on 70, so I don't think, oh, we don't have access to this issue. Okay, fine. 71, same story, I guess. Yep. So there is no such issue, and this of course works quite nicely. But again, as I mentioned before, this is probably not a good idea, because I'm trying to show you, because in case you have to delete it, you can. There is a way of doing it, but instead of, if you're trying to delete it just to have some kind of a business logic, or basically you're doing it as part of your business logic in the process, or you're doing something, then maybe I think it is a better idea to do some checks based on custom fields, or maybe instead of deleting, do something else. Maybe transition the issue in case you want to keep track of it. If you delete the issue, then the issues are gone forever. So I thought I'll probably share this with you, and that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learned something new today. Thank you very much.